Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue if you are getting this error on Inkscape. Fail to load the requested file, okay, and the folder name, folder under picture name. So I'm trying to import one image, but it is not able to accept by Inkscape. So now I'm going to fix that. So what you need to do is, for tutorial purpose, I have created this folder and this image. So this image is right, I have downloaded from ChatGPT. And if you are using any AI, right, so sometimes it will not be accepting. So any files, okay, if it is not accepting, what you need to do is you need to simply convert. For example, you can see this image details here, it's a PNG. So this is the file I just tried to import. Now I am going to convert it. You can use online or you can use Photoshop. So just Google it, free image converter. You might be getting a lot of online free. So I'm choosing this Canva. Okay. So here I'm going to upload the image. So this is the image, right? So clicking and dragging it. Okay, cool. So now it is in PNG. Again, I'm going to download as PNG or sometimes write WEBP. It works. So I'm going to choose PNG only and download it again. So it's successfully downloaded, or after converted, I'm just naming it. And now I'm gonna click and drag to Inkscape, but still you're seeing this cancel button or objection symbol here. So go to file and then import, click import. This is the one after we converted. So I'm going to open it now. So choose embed and then give OK. That's it, friends. Now it's successfully imported. So now there is no error. Okay. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can convert the files to PNG or JPEG or .webp file, and you can easily using import. Don't do any images, just drag and drop. Okay, it may fail. So always go with the file and then import. So definitely it will work. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks and media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.